Amazon Fire 7 vs HD8 vs HD10, what should you buy? The choices of Android tablets reducing over the past few years. The Fire family has offered affordable tablets that do just about everything you need. But with 3 tablets in the offering, there's a decision to be made about which tablet best suits your needs. Is the size worth the increase in price, and exactly what do you get for your money? Design. At first glance, and feel, the Fire tablets have only slightly different sizes and weights. All measure 0.4 inches thick, but the smaller Fire 7 is lighter, weighing 10.4 ounces to the HD8's 13 ounces and the HD10 17.7 ounces. All Fire tablets offer durable feeling designs and matte shells, but the HD8 and Fire 7 come in more color options: black, canary yellow, marine blue and punch red. The Fire HD10 isn't sold in the yellow tone, but in black, marine blue and punch red. Winner: the Fire 7's lighter weight makes it more portable. Display. The Fire tablets reaffirm the axiom that bigger is better for displays. First off, the Fire HD10 finally brings full HD resolution to Amazon slates, with its 1920x1200 pixel panel beating the Fire HD8's 1280x800 pixel panel and the Fire 7's 1024x600 pixel screen. The HD10's panel is also the brightest of the 3, blasting 405 nits of brightness, which vaults over the 380 nit HD8 and the 335 nit Fire 7. You'll only see better color output with the HD10, as its 104.2% colorimeter rating trounces the sRGB ratings for the Fire 7, 78.4%, and the HD8, 79.4%. Winner: the Fire HD10 screen is the best Amazon makes today. Amazon Fire tablet hardware. Fire 7, 1.3 GHz quad-core, 1 GB RAM, 8/16 GB storage and microSD. Fire HD8, 1.3 GHz quad-core, 1.5 GB RAM, 16/32 GB storage and microSD. Fire HD10, 1.8 GHz quad-core, 2 GB RAM, 32/64 GB storage and microSD. Fire HD8 and HD10 offer Dolby Atmos sound. When it comes to the internal specs, there's also a difference in the power that you'll get from the Fire tablets. The Fire 7 and Fire HD8 have a 1.3 GHz quad-core processor, while the Fire HD10 has a 1.8 GHz quad-core processor. These tablets get incrementally faster, with the Fire 7 offering 1 GB RAM and the Fire HD8 stepping it up to 1.5 GB RAM. The Fire HD10 steps up both the RAM and the processor power for a faster overall experience. All 3 models have microSD support for storage expansion, up to 256 GB on the 7 and 10, 400 GB on the HD8, as well as free unlimited cloud storage for Amazon content. In terms of internal memory, however, the Fire 7 is offered at 8 GB and 16 GB, while the HD8 comes in 16 or 32 GB models and the HD10 in 32 or 64 GB options. The battery life on the Fire 7 comes in at 8 hours, the Fire HD8 claims 10 hours of battery life, while the Fire HD10 also claims 10 hours of battery life. All the tablets offer dual-band Wi-Fi. There is no LTE offering on any of the models. The Fire 7 has a mono speaker, while the HD8 and HD10 both offer Dolby Audio stereo speakers, meaning sound quality is better on the 2 larger models, with much more pronounced stereo separation and better high-volume fidelity. In terms of camera performance, the Fire 7 and HD10 both have a front-facing VGA camera and a 2-megapixel rear snapper, capable of 720p video recording. The newer Fire HD8 now has a 720p camera on the front, so video calls will look better than the other devices. Amazon Fire software. Fire OS. Alexa available on all devices. These tablets also tap into Alexa's skills. You'll be able to control your home and ask questions of Alexa through your tablet and get the answers served up as cards, or via voice. On the Fire 7 you'll have to press and hold the home button to trigger Alexa. The latest 2018 Fire HD 8 and Fire HD 10 devices support Alexa hands-free. With this, you can just speak to the tablet and Alexa will respond. That means you can use it in the kitchen, for example, without having to use your hands in the same way you'd use the Amazon Echo. They also offer a show mode, compatible with the show mode charging dock, to give Alexa a visual display like the Echo Shop. Winner, the Fire HD 8 offers a solid combination of value and speed, but we look forward to putting the HD 10 through more testing to see how fast it feels in everyday use. In one of the biggest differences between these tablets, the Fire HD 8's runtime of 10 hours and 58 minutes on the laptop mag battery test, continuous web surfing at 150 nits, is more than 4 hours longer than the time from the Fire 7, 653, and more than 2 hours long than the time from the HD 10, 904. Winner, the Fire HD 8 wins by up to a whopping 4 hours and 5 minutes. Audio. If you're looking to watch a lot of trailers or listen to music on your tablet and do so without headphones, you won't want the Fire 7. Amazon's cheapest tablet features only one, rear-firing, speaker with audio quality that muffled both vocals and instrumentals during our testing. The Fire HD 8 and HD 10 feature stereo sound from dual Dolby Atmos stereo speakers. The HD 8's audio isn't perfect, though, as we heard slight distortion in the bass and vocals. We will test the HD 10 in greater detail soon. Winner, the Fire HD 8 stereo sound improves over the Fire 7 single speaker. Verdict. Sure, the Fire May 7th be more affordable, but for only $30 more, you get a tablet that's better in nearly every way. And while the Fire HD 10 screen is the best of the bunch, the HD 8 costs $70 less and lasts longer on a single charge. The Fire HD 8 is our top pick in this face-off because of its excellent mix of features and affordability, but the best reason to go with the Fire HD 8 is its much longer battery life.